What comes to your mind when you think of the ocean? Is it the beach, the sand in between your toes, the warm sun shining down on your skin? Or maybe it's what's in the ocean. Is it the colorful coral reefs, the yummy seafood, or the clear blue waters? There are many resources that humans are able to use from the sea. We use the energy to power our homes, the oxygen we breathe from the aquatic plants. We use different ingredients in different foods, and the compounds and medications we take when we are sick. My passion for the ocean comes from my love for animals and being outdoors. I love going into the ocean, swimming out past the breaking point of the waves, and just floating. It is so peaceful and calming when you feel connected to the earth and you are able to breathe in the fresh and clean air. I took a trip to the Florida Keys this past summer, and that's where I truly fell in love with the ocean. One day I decided to go snorkeling in the canal that was behind our house. In the canal, I saw tons of colorful fish, a lot of jellyfish, horseshoe crabs, aquatic plants. Once I got out of my little daydream of studying everything that was around me, I looked to my left and I saw a herd of manatees coming right for me. They swam right up to me, started swimming with me, and one even let me touch its nose. It was by far the best experience of my life, but that's not the sole purpose of why we need the ocean. It's just one of the great experiences we get to receive from it. Oceans have been in our world long before humans even existed, and it continues to have a huge impact on the environment. Oceans provide us with a source of food and protein in our diet. It also provides us with renewable energy, it regulates our climate, and it influences our health and well-being. Now you'll be able to understand and learn in more detail of how we use the ocean and its resources. Pollution in the oceans is a major problem to human health and well-being. One type of toxin found in the ocean is plastic. Researchers recently found a dead whale that had washed up on shore containing 13 pounds of plastic in its stomach. National Geographic researchers have estimated that the amount of plastic in the Atlantic Ocean has tripled since the 1960s. Plastic and other forms of trash can be consumed by the fish we eat and cause human diseases or illnesses. Another form of toxins in our oceans is oils and chemicals. Different oils can travel from streams and deposit into estuaries and bays, causing dead zones. Dead zones are massive blooms of algae that extract all oxygen from the water. Few or no organisms can survive in these oceanic deserts due to their oxygen-depleted hypoxic waters. National Geographic discovered in 2008 that there are more than 400 dead zones worldwide. Now that you know how humans have affected the ocean, the second reason why we need the ocean is because it regulates the Earth's climate. Certain kinds of sea life can use the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and dispose of it. The most important type of aquatic life that uses this carbon dioxide is called phytoplankton. This microscopic algae contains chlorophyll and requires sunlight to grow. They float on the surface of the water and soak up all the nitrogen and phosphorus from the atmosphere. During the process of photosynthesis, these plankton produce oxygen. When there are too many nutrients for the plankton, they can grow out of control and form harmful algae blooms. These algae blooms produce extremely toxic compounds that are harmful to marine life and sometimes even people. The ocean also absorbs solar radiation and releases heat needed to drive the atmospheric circulation. Our climate is influenced by the storage of heat and carbon dioxide in the ocean. Zoe Schlangler, an environmental reporter, says that more than 93% excess heat captured by the greenhouse gases have been absorbed by the ocean. If the ocean did not absorb solar radiation and heat, the surface temperature would increase to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. This hot temperature will then boil the ocean and everything in it. There would not be enough oxygen, and the carbon dioxide would take over and form a thick layer around the entire atmosphere. Now that you know how the ocean benefits the Earth's climate, the third reason why we need the ocean is because it influences our health and well-being. The ocean needs to be protected because it provides human nourishment and renewable energy. The American Heart Association recommends eating fish at least twice a week as a healthy, balanced diet. The Mayo Clinic gives evidence that there are 3 important omega fatty acids in fish. These unsaturated fats can benefit the health of your heart and reduce the risk of heart disease. The ocean can also provide us with renewable energy. There are 2 types of these energies. There's thermal and mechanical. Thermal comes from heat, and the mechanical comes from the gravitational pull of the moon on the waves and tides. Both can be used for electricity generation. The ocean is the world's largest solar collector, and just a small portion of this energy can power the entire Earth. The importance of the ocean and marine life will never change nor decrease. We use it every day and don't even realize it. Throughout millions of years, scientists have found more and more ways of how we could use the different resources from the ocean. The ocean and all the animals in it make up an entire new chapter to science. It provides us with a source of food, vital renewable energy, climate regulation, and human health resources such as medications. Keeping our oceans clean and healthy means keeping us clean and healthy. Since you know all the ways we can use the ocean and how it benefits us, I can only hope you see how truly valuable our oceans are and how important it is to keep our oceans clean. Thank you.